Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Joy with Colors. Today we're talking about something super fun and helpful. How kids can lend a hand at home and make their parents' lives a little easier. Let's dive right in. First up, setting the table. This is a simple task that even the youngest kids can do. Grab those plates and napkins and turn dinner into a team effort. Next, cleaning up toys. Keeping your space tidy not only helps parents, but also makes it easier to find your favorite things. Helping in the kitchen is another great way to pitch in. You can stir, wash veggies, or even help pack lunches for the next day. Don't forget about your furry friends. Helping with pet care teaches responsibility and keeps your pets happy. And here's a big one: laundry. Matching socks or folding towels might seem small, but it makes a big difference. See, helping at home can be easy and even fun. Plus, it's a great way to show your family how much you care. What's your favorite way to help at home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Until next time, keep helping and keep smiling.